bike all alone, you're wrong. Here is Sachin. Hello everyone, he's Sachin, I'm Kiran and you're watching Room with Kiran Sachin. Alright, so today we are going to review FC25 manufactured by Yamaha in 250 segment. Here we go.
So this is the bike everyone was waiting for in 250 segments, because Yamaha is having 150cc, a couple of bikes, FZ and R15, and they are having R3. So there was a lot of gaps in between for those people who not only commute but they are also tourer. So this bike fits their requirement within that price segment as well as the power. So talking about power, this bike delivers 20 horsepower at 8000 rpm, and this comes with humongous torque, which is 20 ps at 6000 rpm, which is very good if you are a traveler or tourer.
Okay, so this bike is fuel injected. वो reserve की जो एक button होती है normal Avenger and all those bikes में जो चालू बंद करना पड़ता है. So in this case, in this bike that is not the case. It is fuel injected. Second thing is this bike is air cooled, assisted with Bluecore technology, which is also called as oil cooled. It's too hot, right? Let's get some cool breeze.
So many of us know that it comes with 5 gears. Unfortunately, it doesn't comes with 6-speed transmission, which you feel it is required while on highway touring. That's what we also felt in our Spiti ride. Talking about braking department, it comes with 282mm front disc and 220mm rear disc. Braking on this bike is really very good. It took us by surprise, because we were used to CBR's ABS braking, but this bike has good bite on the brakes. And due to its lighter weight, which is of 148 kgs, the braking is really very good. We were impressed by the braking. It comes with 117 for the front tire, and for rear it comes with 140 by 70 17. And these MRF have been really superbly grippy on the tarmac as well as on off-road when we were on Spiti ride.
One more water crossing and water crossing.
Fine, so the seat height of this bike is 795mm, which is slightly higher than
CBR. CBR has 780mm of seat height. So I think Kiran would be best person to answer how did you feel this seat height, whether it was very high or very low.
Okay, so about the seat height, I am 5'7" basically. So for me, riding CBR or riding FZ didn't make much difference.
Okay.
All right. So at least I can put one of my feet completely properly down, so that if there is imbalance in any of the terrains, Spiti में बहुत बार imbalancing हुआ. So I always try to. My right leg is very stiff, so I always try to balance it on my right leg. So make sure that if you're 5'7", for girls it is awesome. Even for boys, shorter height doesn't make a difference, but when you're going to the terrains like Spiti, I think थोड़ा पैर नीचे जाना ही चाहिए. It's very 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 important.
Yeah, people say that the height doesn't matter, but while on off-roading and all those things, at least 1 feet should touch the ground,
At
and
least, yeah.
1 feet should you should be doing tiptoeing.
Sachin is awesome. Sachin,
Yeah,
he's
for
a lucky
my
man.
height, I found this bike very comfortable. It has very upright position, and the footrests are slightly raised, not very aggressive like the KTM's and any other.
But again, it
racing
helps.
bikes.
Your back doesn't hurt with.
No, after
Yeah.
2000 kilometer ride from Delhi, Shimla, Spiti Valley, Manali, and back to Delhi. We did not felt any kind of pain on our hands or our
The
back.
yeah. Because CBR, it really gives a hard time to your back. So yes, and yes, one another thing is because of Sachin's height and good build, पूरी bike almost tilt हो गई थी, and then he took it back in a
So
position. proper position.
148 kgs of lighter
Great.
bike. I just love this bike on such kind of terrain.
Yeah. So हम लोग literally we were running our bikes on 50 or 40 kmph in the bad roads, really bad roads.
by itself.
So this Yamaha FC25 comes with 14 liters of tank, which is very good because the mileage it has given us.
कितना देती है सचिन?
कितना देती है? If you rip this bike with like 110, 120 continuously, you will still get 30 ka average. Okay, and when we were little bit settled and taking it easy around 80 and 90, it gave more than 35 kilometers per liter,
Refueling बहुत कम करना पड़ा हम
which
लोगों
is very good. I mean, for tourer like us, we would love to get such bikes which gives more than 35, because we did not have to carry any fuel along with us in the Spiti
को.
ride.
No jerry cans, nothing.
No jerry cans, no 1 or 2 liters bottle. It also comes with 2.5 liters of reserve tank.
Right. Alright. So another good thing about this bike is it comes with a speedometer, tachometer, and 2 trip meter, which is awesome. I think for tourers like us.
Yes.
ट्रिप करते रहो कितना किलोमीटर्स हुआ पता चलते जाएगा.
But one thing I did not like, which is you cannot see the clock while you are on trip meter. So you have to keep switching between the trip meters and clock. I think many bike comes with,
Wear a watch.
yes.
Now how we felt about this bike is like literally the engine is so smooth and so lovely. Even though when you are on 110 kmph on a highway, you will not hear a single and some such voice from your engine. It's really very smooth and vibrationless. However, if you push your bike up till 130 kmph, of course at that time you will have a slight vibration on your legs.
Yes, above 9 to 11,000 RPM, the engine is slightly buzzy, but you can live with it or you can ignore. But before that, the engine is really super smooth and super refined as expected from Yamaha. Yes, and the exhaust note complements this engine really well.
You want to hear it? Okay, Sachin, then.
Let's see how the two bikes sound.
Okay, that's all.
Yes.
You shouldn't do such things with your bike.
Yes,
Not good.
this
It's
much
enough.
is fine. Yes, the gearing on this bike is very well distributed. Many people asked us that whether sixth gear was missing. Yeah, on straight boring highway, you will miss sometimes the sixth gear. Otherwise, gearing is properly. It's not tall or it's not too short, so you can have fun on the twisty as well as on highways and on off roads.
Yes. Basically, I did not miss the sixth gear since I'm riding CBR, Honda CBR 250, which comes with 6 gears. But I did not miss the 6 gears in this bike because it's always smoother, and on a straight highway it anyways goes to 130 kmph. So I don't think so gears.
That's
matters.
what we got. 130, 132 or 130.
I think 133 was the last I went with all the luggage and everything. Coming to the seat part, it's beautiful. I mean, the cushion is nice. It will not hurt your butt.
Yes, and the suspension again on this bike is very well balanced. On the twisters, it doesn't like give you hard time.
I think the pillion seat is also very well because when we reached Kaza and when I had my fall, my hands were swollen, right? So what we did it, I took a rest and I was a pillion for a day, and we went to Key Monastery and all those places. So at that time, I don't have to always hold Sachin because he was riding and I was holding it back. And even though you don't hold it back, it's like a grippy kind of a feeling if you're a pillion. So I think that pillion seat is super awesome.
So in short, the seats on FZ25 are really good, and 1+1 can ride all day long.
Yeah, that's right. About the mirror part, I love mirrors because for my height, the mirror is adjustable. You can adjust it anywhere. When I want to make my hair good, I just, twist it, I see myself, and then I put it back to the normal.
How was the view behind?
The view behind was, for my height, it was really very good because you just have to adjust according to you, and the mirrors are awesome. You can it's easily visible. However, it's a bit short, I think.
Yeah, I think for me, mirror could have been little bigger and little bit wider because I'm 5'11" and I could not see complete. I did not have complete visibility while going faster.
Lambe height ki problems. About the headlight is
Slightly weaker, even though it comes with LED. So if you are riding on a dark patch, you will be able to see properly. But as you know, in India, people come with high beam, and
Always.
at that time
You
you
want to
won't
see
be able to.
the headlight.
You won't be able to see the road properly.
So we just left from somewhere and the road disappeared. रात के टाइम पे थोड़ा पहाड़े बड़ी डेंजरस सी लगती है नहीं? Not recommended to anybody. Don't ride during night or when it is dusk. But yeah, we are just going to ride for more 25 kilometers, and we are going to stop riding wherever we reach, right? And wherever we get a shelter. So, yes, let's go. You have to be riding in utmost precaution. पहाड़ों में रात के टाइम पे हाँ it's hot weather.
So we have talked about engine, so it doesn't heats up, so it doesn't need more coolant like we are sweating like pig here. The suspension on this bike is really superb for our conditions. However, you can do corner craving as well, but not as much as CBRs or RCs or all those super sport bikes. But you can have fun with this bike.
It easily goes in the corners. I mean, left chane to properly, it goes very well. It goes very
Due
well.
to
in
its
corners.
slightly rested footrest and aggressive sitting position. It's not that aggressive, but you can tour as well as you can have fun with this bike.
Alright, so this bike comes into 3 colors. Blue is my favorite one, so anytime blue. Another color is black and the white one. But again, being a girl, color matters, right? So blue is all-time favorite, so I'll choose blue. For girls, starting with this bike is really super cool, super awesome. Only if you have a good height, 5.7 at least, so that at least one of your foot comes down.
But it again depends on you. If you are comfortable being only 1 feet down and 1 feet, if your other feet doesn't touch the ground, it completely depends. But due to its lightweight, I think anyone can ride this bike effortlessly.
Yep, that's right.
So after riding this bike for last 10 days in Delhi, Shimla, Manali and Spiti Valley, doing off-road, high-speed runs, we are like super impressed with this bike. We did not expected this much performance. this bike never halted or like it didn't give any starting issue like
Exactly. In those terrains.
because the air is very thin.
Altitude,
So fuel
because of
injection worked really superbly, and the fueling on this bike is just so awesome that with the twist of your throttle, you will just go past like anything. And overtaking is really awesome with this bike.
That's right. Of course, if this bike comes into an ABS section, I would definitely buy one. What say Sachin? You know, because I am riding CBR, a Honda CBR, which has super awesome brake system. It has ABS, obviously. So I'm habitual to ABS. You can say that. So if FZ comes into an ABS, Yamaha guys, please do this. So if it comes into ABS, I'm definitely going to get one. Oops.
While riding this bike, this headlight unit slightly shakes. So if you are going too fast, so your beam is slightly shaky. So that is something I felt little bit odd, but it is not that much of an issue. Since we have ridden this bike in off-road and muddy situations, this rear tire agar worked really well. It doesn't throws that much water or mud on your rear seat. As you can see, it's not that dirty.
But again, we are back from Spiti, so थोड़ी dirty bike तो rough look तो चाहिए, क्या बोलते हैं?
We did not get a time to wash it.
Sorry.
Yes.
All right, so hope this review has helped you guys to some extent, because we tried to share all the experiences we had
in those 2,000 kilometers.
In those 2,000 kilometers, and I think to judge any bike, those 2,000 kilometers is a good
number, right?
Yeah, is a good number, right? So,
and I think if I want to buy a new bike and it is my first bike, I think I will definitely go for this bike.
Exactly, because we rode this bike on plain roads, on bad roads, on extremely bad roads with no roads, water crossing and whatnot. So I think we are good to give the review of this bike, and it would have helped you.
Yes, if you have ABS concern in your mind, then you should definitely go for bikes equipped with ABS. But again, I would say braking on this bike was superbly.
I think the price of this bike is also super good.
Yes, they have priced it really well. So I think
in and all, we have shared all the experiences we had about the bikes.
We had a good time with this bike.
Yeah, I don't want to give it back. I don't want to give this bike. I want to take it back to Mumbai. But then it's okay. We have to give it back to Yamaha people. Megatron and Optimus Prime really had a good time on those terrain. However, Megatron is a bit injured. But it's all okay in those terrains.
So thank you XBHP and Yamaha for giving us these bikes for riding in the Spiti Valley.
I think अगर कोई और heavy bike होती तो water crossing जो हम लोग को मिली है 20 plus something, it would have given us a hard time. But
yes,
this bike was very easy.
Would have
given us a hard time, of course.
Yes.
So yes, thank you XBHP, Yamaha Motors India, and all those people who helped us and prayed us for this ride.
So hope you like this video and review of brand new Yamaha FZ25. So if you like this video, share with your friends who are looking to buy or thinking of buying FZ25, and do hit like button and subscribe to our channel to see whole northeast to see.
We travel so much, we forgot which ride we were on. Alright, so yes.
Stay tuned for our Spiti Valley travelogues.
Yes, travelogues, videos, and lots more experiences of our on those terrains. So yes, we did Spiti very well. We are alive, and we are back, and we are planning for another ride. Okay, alright. So till the time, keep
roaming.
क्या नाम तेरा?
अमन।
हाँ
अमन।
अमन, स्कूल जा रहा? बाइक अच्छी लगती है? कौन सी वाली अच्छी लगी तुझे? ये वाली? वो किरण की है। कौन चलाता पता है वो?
पता नहीं।
नहीं पता?